It's time for the special event I was talking about. I need all of the cameras out right now. We're going to end with a list of our demands to the Chinese embassy to pass on to the Chinese Communist Party. I'm going to read out our demands. And at the end of each one, I want us all to hear whether or not we agree. I'll read out the demands. To whom it may concern, we, Muslims and non-Muslim friends of the Uyghurs, Kazakhs and other persecuted minorities, are gathered here today with the following demands. We demand the closure of the concentration camps. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand that all of our mosques are reopened. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand a return of the hundreds of thousands of missing children. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand knowledge about the people killed in concentration camps. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand knowledge of the Uyghurs who have been disappeared from rural areas and from the cities of Kashgar, Hotan and Urumqi. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand a return of our daughters who have forcibly been married. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand an end to all sterilizations and all forced population control measures. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand the right to call out the adhan. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand the right to possess the Quran. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand the removal of Chinese Communist Party officials occupying our houses. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand the return of Uyghur properties and businesses forcibly confiscated. Do you agree?
Yes!
We demand the freedom of our Uyghur brothers and sisters to practice Islam. Do you agree?
Yes!
Until you heed these basic demands, our protests will spread and grow. Our boycotts will get stronger. Our voices will get louder. And we will shame you across all corners of the earth. Takbir!
China, China, shame on you!
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 Tell the Uyghurs who we are!
La ilaha illallah! Signed, a billion brothers and sisters of the Uyghurs.
Takbir!
Brothers and sisters, we will deliver this to the Chinese embassy. And right now we will end this gathering, inshallah, with a dua from our Sheikh Dr. Haytham al-Haddad. Takbir!
Tell the Uyghurs who we are!
La ilaha illallah!
Tell the Uyghurs who we are!
La ilaha illallah!
Takbir!
Jazakum Allah khairan, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Let us make dua. Let us make dua. And let us remember, my dear respected brothers and sisters, that inshallah we will promise. First of all, we have a promise before Allah Jalla wa Ala, who selected us to be the best of nation, kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat linnas, that inshallah we will continue standing for justice wherever we are, forever who needs justice, we will support them in order to get their justice and to get their freedom. Yes? Yes, brothers, or not? Do we promise Allah Jalla wa Ala, first of all, that we will continue doing this because Allah Jalla wa Ala selected us for this noble job? Yes or no?
Yes!
We promise, repeat after me.
We promise!
We promise, we promise to stand for justice. As Allah wants us to stand for justice. Let us make some dua and be optimistic, brothers. Be optimistic. When the Prophet ﷺ was in a very difficult situation and he was chased by the people of Quraysh, and then his friend Abu Bakr told him, look, they are chasing us. If they look us, If they look at us, then they will find us. The Prophet ﷺ, the leader of the humanity, while he is full in trust of Allah Jalla wa'ala, he said to Abu Bakr, and Allah Jalla wa'ala revealed this in the Quran, لا تحزن إن الله معنا. Don't be saddened, because what? Because Allah is with us. So brothers and sisters, I want all of you not to be saddened, not to feel low, not to feel down whatsoever. Always keep smiling, be confident, because what? Because Allah Jalla wa'ala is with the believers. Allah Jalla wa'ala is with the believers. And we want all non-Muslims to enjoy this kind of inner peace by submitting to the creator of all beings, Allah, the supreme being. La ilaha illallah Muhammadan Rasulullah. We ask Allah Jalla wa'ala, we ask Allah Jalla wa'ala by His beautiful names and His attributes. Ya Allah, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. Allahumma inna nas'aluka bi asma'ika al-husna wa sifatika al-ula. Ya Wahidu Ya Ahad, Ya Samad. اللهم إنا نسألك بأننا نشهد أنك أنت الله لا إله إلا أنت لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إنا كنا من الظالمين اللهم إنا
Oh Allah, we ask you that you give us tawfiq to all of our brothers and sisters across the globe, to that which is pleasing to you. Oh Allah, unite our hearts upon righteousness and God consciousness. Oh Allah, we ask you, the all-living, the ever-irresistible, that you help us to support our weak Muslims in East Turkestan. Oh Allah, we ask you that you support them. Oh Allah, we ask you that you give them victory. Oh Allah, we ask you that you remove from them their hardships. Oh Allah, we ask you, the creator of the heavens and the earth, that you support all of the oppressed in all forms and parts of the world, east and west. Oh Allah, we ask you that you give this ummah a great command by which it is honored, and that your commands are held in high esteem, and that evil and indecent actions are belittled and deemed ridiculed. Oh Allah, we ask you from evil, all forms of evil, that which we know and that which we don't know, and we ask you for all forms of good, that which we know and that which we don't know, and that which is near and that which is far. Oh Allah, send your peace and blessings upon the last and final messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Glory be to the Lord of all creation, and peace be upon all of the messengers, and all praise and thanks belongs to Allah.